So Auto Expo has been India's premier automotive event for quite a few years. But this year, it seems to be in trouble, right?
Actually, for two-wheelers, yeah, there's hardly any brands.
Yeah, I mean, you have a lot of car brands. Most of them are there. I mean, though it's less than what they were last time. Yeah,
but Volkswagen is back, so that's a big thing. And also new brand.
Great Wall is coming as well. So for car brands, it's still, good this year. But for two-wheeler makers, it's just two. It's Piaggio, that's Aprilia and Vespa, and it's Suzuki. So none of the top tier guys are there. And
it's a very surprising thing. All the big guys are missing from this year's expo.
Which is shocking. I mean, when Honda used to have the biggest two-wheeler stall in Expo pretty much every single time.
And they used to actually launch products. Like unlike other brands, they used to actually showcase and launch products.
Yeah, last Expo we had the X-Blade showcase, we had the Activa 5G, and before that we had the Navi and concepts.
CX-01, CX-02.
Yeah, so
they always had something interesting happening over there, and it's really saddening to see that Honda is not there.
Yeah, and of course, let's not forget the MotoGP bikes that you like so much.
Yeah, right.
Marquez's bike, yeah. Arun is going to miss Marquez's bike at Expo this year.
So sad.
But that aside, I mean, come on, India's biggest bike maker, the world's biggest bike maker,
Hero MotoCorp.
Yeah, they are absent as well, and that is even more shocking because they used to have so many concepts
which never went into production.
Yeah, none of them. but considering that there was so much talk about Hero working on a 300cc motorcycle,
yeah, the XM3R, right?
Yeah, that was the concept. Yeah. So I was really hoping to see that come into fruition at this expo.
Because the Extreme 200, it's only on paper a 200cc.
Yeah, I mean they don't have anything in the proper performance segment at all. So
and also Hero has been focusing on EICMA more and more rather than on Auto Expo.
Yeah, EICMA and golf. So yeah, that.
Oh yeah, golf with Mr. Munjal.
Yeah. So yeah, it's kind of sad. And again, talking about concepts, TVS,
the king of concepts.
Absolutely. I mean, every single expo they have some amazing concepts, and unlike Hero, those actually make it into production. The Draken became the RTR 200.
Yeah, the Akula, the RR310.
Absolutely.
And it is very disappointing because last year they showcased the Zeppelin and the Creon, and I was really looking forward to see the Zeppelin because the first cruiser from TVS. Yeah. And now we have no idea.
We have no clue when the Zeppelin or the Creon will make it to production.
And the other point, PD, is that for TVS, Auto Expo was the point where they should showcase their future products. Like they used to give us a hint what to expect from them.
Yeah, it's just.
And since they are not here this year, we have no idea or a direction what TVS will be taking moving forward.
Absolutely. So it's kind of strange. I mean, why is this happening? It's a big question. And well, one reason obviously is that
price.
Yeah, I mean, I've heard this might be a little apocryphal. Floor space at Auto Expo is amongst the most expensive in the world compared to any other auto show, which is just like wow. So that is, and especially when you consider how bad the auto industry has been in 2019.
Yeah, 2019 wasn't a good year for.
Terrible. I mean, it's recovering now, but it's been a pretty terrible year. So, I mean.
And on top of that, you have the BS6 thing coming in.
Yeah, exactly. So, I mean, it's all tied together because you had your ABS mandate, you had your 5-year insurance, then you have the upcoming BS6. So, it's people aren't buying, and obviously everybody is hit. And in that time, it's hard to sort of.
Money won't be the.
Spending that kind of money to be at Auto Expo. Yeah, might not be worth it.
Another thing I feel, PD, is that motor shows like IBW, for example. Now that's becoming very important for brands.
Yeah, I mean, this last IBW was intense with KTM treating it like an auto show because they unveiled the 390 Adventure, the 790 Adventure, the two Husqvarnas as well. So if as good as an Auto Expo for them.
You had the Triumph Indian Kawasaki all over there. So
Triumph launched
the Rocket
3 as well. So there you go. That's a better place because I think in that sense it lets you connect better to your audience more directly.
Yeah, your target audience is there, and also audience which is not part of your brand is also there. So you can get them.
Exactly. And again, I'm not too sure I've heard this, that big bike makers actually end up making sales at stuff like India Bike Week. Like I remember some
BMW had done something and Ducati
had a few sales. Yeah, Ducati had.
And also I think this will be cheaper than Auto Expo for sure.
Definitely.
Like in terms of,
plus it's Goa.
Yeah, so we always need
much better
reason to go to Goa.
Much better than Delhi in the winter. So yeah, that.
And on that point, even connectivity wise, like even for us journos, it's very difficult to get to Noida, travel, like you land in Delhi, then you travel to Noida.
It's just not central enough. So in terms of footfall, I do think it sort of affects footfall. I mean, it's still a fairly packed show, but I mean, we are a country of 1.3 billion, so whatever.
But still, Pragati Maidan was much better
much
in
more
terms of
central
connectivity.
in that sense. Yeah, I mean, it was, I think, a better show when it was at Pragati in any case.
But
so.
do you think changing the location from Noida to somewhere else might help with Auto Expo?
Do you know, honestly, I think it might be better just to skip Expo, at least for bike makers altogether.
So basically what they will do is like host their own Auto Expo.
Yeah, I mean, do bike festivals. Do biker festivals because that is a real way to talk to your audience more directly. Because it's not like you're going to have your enthusiasts or non-enthusiasts who are going to go buy a Splendor and City 100s go to Auto Expo because they're not enthusiasts anyway. Your enthusiasts are going to buy your more premium bikes and then you can connect with them directly at bike festivals.
So basically like TVS with its Moto Soul,
Yeah.
Rider Mania of Royal Enfield. So we can see Hero doing something, Honda doing something, their own show. It will be cheaper for them.
Yeah, it makes a lot of sense.
And also it will get them more airtime. Like Auto Expo, every press conference is 15 minutes, then you have another press conference. So it just gets lost, your news.
In terms of coverage, it actually gets muddled between so many other brands. This is a better way of actually, focusing coverage on each brand specifically.
So I think future of Auto Expo is looking a bit
bit dicey in that sense, at least for two-wheelers. But it still would make sense for absolutely new brands coming into the country to make a show at Expo because that is still sort of center stage.
Yeah, so we had Kimco and M-Flux last year. They made their India debut there. So
at the end of the day, I think as a journalist, I'm slightly happier because there's slightly less running around.
The two-wheeler team is very happy because we have only two brands and we feel sorry for the car team, but it's okay. We have to work sometimes.
So what do you guys think? Do you think that the Auto Expo is the best place to be for bikes and for bike lovers?
Or the Moto festivals of their own brand? Is that the right future or IBW?
Exactly. So would you guys travel to individual festivals of each bike maker yourselves, or would you prefer to go to one place once in 2 years, something like the Auto Expo? Do let us know in the comment section below. And of course, don't forget to check out ZigWheels.com because we have a ton of coverage of the Auto Expo, both pre and of course during you'll have it. So do check that out, do log into the website. And of course, on the channel, if you haven't subscribed already,
please
hit that subscribe button, click on the bell icon, stay notified. And as always, thank you for watching.